Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone in the US. I'm not sure, I know Canada already had Thanksgiving, and I'm not other countries when their Thanksgiving is. Ours is today, which is Thursday, the 24th of November. So happy Thanksgiving. I am cooking and starting to get everything like on my list. I have to order, let me see. Yeah, I think by Wednesday or Thursday of this week, I'm filming this a week ahead of time. I have to make sure I have everything that I need to, and I make everything from scratch. Stuffing, mashed potatoes, all that good stuff. I think we get a free turkey with where we get our food from, so I just have to get everything that we need, make sure we have plenty of drinks and all the side stuff, and, you know, just get everything ready. So I'll be cooking, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 people, 8 to 8 people here. Not a ton, still a lot of work, but I love to cook. So I've been cooking Thanksgiving just to give my sister a break. For years and years she was doing Thanksgiving, Christmas, sometimes New Year's. She always did like the Easter and all the barbecue. So I've been trying to pull at least Thanksgiving from her. And she still does Christmas and all that because everybody is usually at her house for Christmas. So I figured I have to film this ahead of time because I'm not going to have too much time the week of Thanksgiving to do too much filming. So in true fashion, like I do every Thanksgiving, today I am doing a gift to one of my subscribers. I'm going to give a gift card out. Now, if you live in the United States, Ulta, Sephora, or Amazon are your only choices. If you live outside of the US, your only choices is cash, Venmo, PayPal, nothing else. I know last month it was a little exception to my rule, but I just can't be doing that. It's too much work on my end to do that. So it is Venmo or PayPal cash, if you live outside the United States. If you're in the US, it's Ulta, Sephora, or Amazon. Only options. Cash is not an option for the US because you can use gift cards. So today, since it is Thanksgiving, I'm popping up the keyword that you need to use. You need to email me at the address in the giveaway rules in my description box. Nowhere else is that address. Don't scroll to the bottom of the description box and get that address. That's an incorrect address. Don't go into my about section and use that email address. That's an incorrect address. You will not be told that you've emailed the incorrect address. The only address that you're to use is in the giveaway rules for any of my giveaways. That's simple. This is only going to stay open until... I do have another giveaway ending. Don't want to just keep it open for a few days. You know what? I'm going to do that. I'm only going to keep this up for a couple of days. This is going to end on November the 27th, which today's the 24th, Thursday. We have Friday, Saturday. This ends Sunday. I'm just writing that down. This way we can keep it. I don't want it to be open for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. To me, I want to end it fast. So you have to email me at the proper email address with the keyword that popped up on the screen. And like I said, today is noon on Thanksgiving Day, which is November 24th. This closes on the 27th. So basically, it's open for 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 3 3/4 of days. 3 full days anyway. And then we'll have the winner chosen and announced on, I don't know when, because I have, I will announce the winner on December the 4th. This way, I can quick, take care of it and get it out. So I'm writing all this in my book, so I have it. So there's no like, oh, I forgot about that. So use the keyword, email the proper address that's in the giveaway rules. And if you'd like to try to win a $25 gift card, you know, I don't like to put an unboxing on Thanksgiving. I always like to give back on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is, for me, is a day of giving, and I know it's family time and fellowship and all that good stuff, but I try not to put an unboxing on Thanksgiving Day. Stuff like that. So simple, quick, send me an email and use the keyword and you'll be entered. Now I have 2 giveaways rolling at the same time. It's 1 email per person. Do not, when I send you a response that says, you know, thanks, whatever your name is, you are entered. Don't respond. No, you don't need to. You don't need to say, oh, thank you, or you're welcome. No, do not respond. I will delete your entire email. You get to send me the email. I get to hit reply and let you know you're entered and stop right there unless you win. So I have to tighten up the rules because I'm getting responses, wrong email addresses, you know, people trying to claim prizes that aren't the person, and just, so I'm honing it in. If you don't follow the rules, you will be disqualified. It's that simple. I'm not playing around with the giveaways because people are always going to try to scam me. Good luck trying, and try to claim your prize. And I don't want that, because if somebody is that good and gets past me and they get the gift, I can't do it. You know, if you contact me, be like, but I didn't, that's not me. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it, especially if it's a box of products, and I still can't replace a gift card or cash. Like it's over and done. So that's why I ask that you don't delete your original email that you sent to me, and we just do reply. Then I know it's you for sure. You know, if I'm in doubt, I ask a question that I know you'll be able to answer, where somebody who's just scamming is not going to be able to answer. Some are blatantly obvious. They don't even know how to speak proper English. Well, then I know you're from a foreign country trying to scam me. Like I've always said, I might have been born at night, but it wasn't last night. I'm very street smart. I'm book smart, but I'm very street smart. I can smell it a mile away, and, you know, don't kid a kidder. So good luck to everyone who wants to enter. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye for now.